Okay, let's look at the homework 3.6, number 6. All right, so here's the function. Let's take the derivative. So y prime is going to be equal to, right, whatever inside the natural log goes on the bottom. So you have x plus square root of 4 plus x squared, right? Then take the derivative of that, put it on top. Derivative of x is 1, right? Derivative of square root of 4 plus x squared would be, let's see, so square root is 1/2 power. So put 1/2 in front. Keep the same quantity, which is 4 plus x squared. Subtract 1 from the power, so it's negative 1/2 power. Then multiply by derivative of inside, so it's chain rule, so it's a 2x, right? So clean it up. You will see that you 2 on top and 2 on the bottom cancel out, and you can write it as let's see, so you have 1's 1, but you can write it as a fraction, say x over, right? Then it's a negative power, so which means that the 4 plus x squared sits on the bottom. Then you have a 1/2 power, so it's a square root, right? So we have that, right? Then bottom is the same, x plus square root of 4 plus x squared, right? Since I don't like to have a fraction inside a big fraction, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by square root of 4 plus x squared. So you have a square root of 4 plus x squared. Right? So you see that you can simplify this as, let's see, so 1 times square root of 4 plus x squared is square root of 4 plus x squared. Right? And square root of 4 plus x squared cancel out. You just have plus x on top and over. And you have, actually, you have exactly the same thing here, so I'm going to write it the same way. So I'm going to write the square root of 4 plus x squared plus x. Then you still have to multiply by square root of 4 plus x squared, right? But you can common factor on top and bottom, cancel out, so you get 1 on top. All right, so therefore, first derivative is 1 over square root of 4 plus x squared, right? So that's the first derivative. Right, to find the second derivative, I'm going to rewrite it as quantity 4 plus x squared, raise it to the negative 1/2 power, right? So y double prime is going to be, put negative 1/2 in front, keep the same quantity 4 plus x squared, subtract 1 from the power, negative 3/2 power, multiply by derivative inside, so it's 2x, right? So 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, cancel out, and what you get is you still have a negative sign, right? Then there's a x here, so x is on top, right? So because of the negative power, we know that the quantity 4 plus x squared sits on the bottom. Then you have 3/2 power, so 3/2, right? And so this is the y double prime, right? So you can see that we got exactly the same thing. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.